What if you could instantly trade with lower fees, priority support, and premium benefits? Well, today, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can. Please keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for educational purposes only. Alrighty, so as stated, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We are at it again with none other than Bybit. We're talking about that VIP program, but today we actually have some more goodies as well. If you actually go to Bybit, use the link down below, you guys are going to see right here, you're going to be able to go to what is known as more, and you're going to click right here for the VIP program. Now listen, there are a few important things that we need to mention, all right? So they definitely do have 24/7 VIP support, or let's say priority support. So listen, there's no bots, there's no waitings. Your personal VIP ambassador literally replies within minute, right? Giving you seamless support experience, all right? And that is something that we definitely need, right? Very important. Now, not only that, you guys, but also want you to understand whenever it comes to this, you know, you're going to be able to jump to VIP levels. There's no extra trading required at all. All right. So if you're actually already trading, say, on another exchange, you can actually show your volume, and Bybit will upgrade your VIP level by 2 instantly, unlocking massive fee discount. And you guys will see right here that they do provide you that information, which is actually really good. All right. Now, the next thing I would like to talk about, you guys, is take a look here. We're talking about a VIP, let's say a trader's prestige card, right? A VIP card. And if you guys are kind of curious how you can actually participate, let's just kind of talk about this. You're going to be able to apply, you're going to be able to deposit at least $100 or its equivalent after card application to qualify. You're going to be able to spend with your Bybit card and actually earn 10% cash back, up to $300 for new users or $150 for existing users. And we got pay anytime, anywhere, 100% rebates from selected partners, earn 10% cash back on your everyday expenses. And then we even have right here, unlock your crypto potential with a Bybit card. So literally free and instant. That's a virtual card issued. They even have a physical card. We even have no annual or monthly fees, and we have 400% APR. That's actually really good for new users, right? And then if we take a look here, I want you guys to understand, I mean, they got a virtual card, right? That's a use case. They got a physical card, which is a use case. Not only that, they got seamless access. So technically, you guys, whenever it comes to this card, you're actually going to be able to add it, say, to Google Pay and Apple Pay. Now, global usability, I want you guys to understand that technically whenever it comes to, say, the Bybit card, it can actually be used at over 90 million MasterCard merchants, and that is worldwide, all right? Then they also have crypto off-ramp. So I want you guys to understand the Bybit card technically has off-ramps. So we're talking about crypto into fiat, as you can kind of see right here, which is actually really good, which is awesome, okay? So I want you guys to understand, I mean, that's something that we definitely need. So listen, there are a lot of rewards here. You're going to be able to unlock next level perks. Not only that, you're going to be able to redeem crypto such as Ton, Solana, and other token airdrop at a discount. And whenever it comes to the card, you guys, I mean, links to your Bybit accounts, okay? Which is pretty good, all right? So just an example, you're going to be able to see your base currency, virtual card, right? Like Apple Pay, physical card, Google Pay. You're going to be able to see transactions, right? So technically, you guys, I want you guys to understand there's a lot of important information. So once again, whenever it comes to the annual fees, they are 0, right? They've got the card issuance, right? The application, 0 fees as well. Now, obviously, there is going to be a foreign exchange fee at about 1%. And then there's a crypto conversion fee, which is like less than 1%, if I'm correct. And ATM fees, I mean, technically it's free for the first $100. After that, it's going to be about 2% fee after. Now, if we take a look here, you guys will even see that they got rebates. So we're talking about 100% rebate. That's going to be with Netflix. We got Spotify. We got Amazon Prime. We got Chat GPT, and we even have TradingView. So we're talking about 2 to 10% cash back, anywhere from about 75 USDT to 60 USDT. All right. So I want you guys to understand, you're definitely going to be able to unlock your crypto potential in the real world, especially with Bybit card. Very important, you guys, to understand understand. Now, it's available in EEA, Australia, the Netherlands, Argentina, Brazil, and now selected parts of the world, okay? So, which is awesome as mentioned, okay? Now, once again, you guys, the Bybit card, technically it is a MasterCard that allows you to easily, not only that, but securely access your crypto funds globally. No fuss, there's literally only benefits here, all right? And I also want you guys to understand that you can actually unlock the full potential of the Bybit card with zero staking requirements, with incremental rewards based on your Bybit VIP status, right? So if we go back, you guys can actually see right here that they have many different tiers, okay? Now, once again, 10 or let's say 2 to 10% cash back, that's good. Up to 8% APY with Bybit savings. They got lower fees, higher value, okay? So I want you guys to understand, once again, there are 0 annual or hidden fees, as I mentioned earlier. So this definitely should appeal to you, unlike other crypto cards, right? Now, you're also gonna be able to get crypto cash back, as mentioned, in USDT and other tokens, right? So listen, you can even gain, if you guys like your card a lot, you can even get exclusive access to the VIP metal card as well, right? Giving you a badge of, say, an elite trader status, all right? And access to special events, okay? So I need you guys to understand, we're talking about boosted APY for wealth management, larger token allocations and launch pool, premium trading perks tailored literally just for you. So once again, VIP perks, lower fees, and effortless upgrades. Why would you want to wait? Upgrade your trading experience with Bybit today. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Please let me know, are you going to be getting yourselves started today? Leave a comment down below, smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button. Most importantly, stay up to date on our next videos.